Hey guys, welcome back to Beardchanics garage. And today, as you've seen in the thumbnail and behind me, we are working on Project TouRAT. And basically we are going to sand the hell out of it, patch up the rust we don't want to keep, and give it a paint job. Very rough paint job. This is by no means a video on how to paint your job properly. It's a rat. We are going to do a rough job on it. Anyway, let's get into it. Alright, we're still going to treat the rust we don't want. Like you can see there is a hole behind there. I'm just going to go around, scratch all the bit. This one's actually quite good. A little bit here and there. Little bit around the arch. Yeah, and around that arch as well. But yeah, see, that kind of like, we don't want that to get worse either. So yeah, just going to sand it down, and then I've got some anti-rust primer. Put a coat on that everywhere, and then can start sanding more down, clean up the side and everything. Alright, so the rear is done with some anti-rust primer on the main bit we want to slow down. It's one wing, that's two wing. Obviously this one was a bit more damaged, so not as smooth as the other side, but doesn't matter, does it? Alright, that's where we're at. My kids actually came in and give us a hand a bit, so sanded most of it. The top, I wonder if I'm not going to keep black, considering we've got the sunroof on there, plus the windscreen. I mean, here the tint is sort of like greenish in it, but it's always feel very black with the bottom. So I think I'm going to keep the top black, which means I can leave the top for now and I can protect it. And I just have to worry about finishing that side, finishing all the bumper and stuff, the rear bumper, and then I can actually give it a coat of paint. Here the most pain in the neck stuff to remove is those, and the holes as well. I don't know what my plan for it is. I think for now I might just leave them in, and I wonder if later I could put something interesting, you know, maybe a big rope, so you still get protection, some other crap, I don't know, I will see. I'll go with the flow. Okay, nearly done with day one. I'm going to remove that as well in a minute. But sanded most of the panel I want to paint. Let me change side for the damn wind. Still have some of those glue marks to remove, like on here basically. On here. It's so nice and smooth you can't feel them anymore. But yeah, there are paint to remove. I don't have all the best equipment, so I'm just sanding it down. Anyway, here doing the bumper. And I don't think I'm going to put the red plate back there, so I might just sand all of that down and then use some filler to actually make it nice and flat, or at least try to, you know. We shall see, but I'm going to remove that now, and then well, I'll show you quickly what it looks like without it, and then I'm basically going to wait until tomorrow. Here we go. After, I don't think I'll leave it open. I'll probably put a mesh, but obviously mesh that rust, because essentially we can put all the mesh here and down here and stuff on the side. We can basically put mesh that rust everything that is metal on the outside. Be nice if it's rusted. Alright, second day, I've done the roof. As you can see, I didn't remove the bar because I need to strip the inside first on the top part, go all the way up, so it's quite lengthy. I want to strip the inside anyway, but I'll do it later. Plus here at the top, when we remove it, just spray a bit of black or whatever with the roof rack and stuff. Yeah, not much point spending too much time on the rooftop, but anyway, I'm going to clean it, see where we're at, and probably get the S3 out, put that in, paint the roof first, and then I can mask the rest of the car, and yeah, give a good painting it. Alright, so just need to let it dry. It's not washed perfectly, obviously, but yeah, just going to have a little break, let it dry, and then we will do that roof, and hopefully, I'm checking but I don't actually have a watch, hopefully we should have the time to do the side and stuff. Obviously, masking take a while. It looks terrible, but it's because I only had one kind of black pen, so I had to use another pen, so, but you know, it's a rat, so who cares? At least it's sort of like used and stuff, and I didn't do it inside, so spray can with the wind and stuff, but for the side and all, I've actually got a proper paint spray thing, on that I will do it inside, because painting outside, the wind ain't too bad, but when it comes up, like half of your paint goes away, so. More or less done with the masking. Is it a good job? Probably not, no. Oh, actually, I need to do that before I start painting, but it is a rough job. Yeah, I didn't even bother, guys, because you know what, this is not quite done anyway, and I don't know. If the khaki stuff go well, I might spray the top again, and I'll see from there. Doesn't matter. The top is easy to redo on this shit anyway, so. Front bumper I'm not going to do because it's plastic, plus I want to like modify it so that I can make it all nice and smooth, so you don't like have the registration plate, or you know, integrate that stuff in as well, so you don't have those recesses. We obviously put the plate to the side or make it hang or something different. But yeah, bonnet, that's going to be sanded down and roasted when I find my grinder. All of this would have been a lot easier if I had my grinder, but the cooler is looking good, darker than I was expecting. Oh. Well, it sort of works, so let's just press the thing on it, and it's more like spitting paint at it. As you can see, but never mind, let's crack on. At least I have fun. That's the main bit in that thing, you know. Definitely love the color, and I reckon it's not quite leaky either, so that stuff is actually probably going to dry up and give you a bit of texture as well all over, which will look pretty cool. I didn't mask that, but I can clear it up and bring it back when I feel like it. But anyway, I'm going to crack on because it's starting to be cool. Guys, I'm getting pumped now, you know, I'm getting pumped. That's probably wrong. I'm getting very excited now. Look at it. I mean, look at it. The grain is bang on. The applicator sure make it all sprayy and stuff, but give it a texture which make it a bit more rat anyway. Paint the bumper and stuff as well. Down the rear bumper, again the bonnet will send that all down. You know, the color is so good, I don't know if I should just spray the roof. The only trouble with that sprayer is you need to be perfectly straight, like if you try to go in the angle, kind of lose straight away. So I'm not sure how good it'll be at like spraying the top, but we'll see. That's it in the sun with the tape removed. I'll show you in a minute. I've actually missed a spot, but I'll patch it up later. Yeah, actually I thought it'll show up better, but I think I might actually cover it properly, and I'll redo some of those later. Yeah, here I forgot to convert it and I'll have to re-scratch it, but never mind, that I can just send it down, bring it back, that's fine as well. Otherwise, yeah, so pleased with the result, so pleased. I mean, yeah, you know, I did it roughly anyway, so it's not perfect, but I love this so much. I'm going to do the roof like that as well anyway. And yeah, oop, the wind comes in, there you go. Yeah, see, just missed that bit. So, I'll sort that out. I'm going to do those as well actually in that color. And to some extent here, look, it's so layered, it's nearly smooth, but again, tiny bit here again, I'll patch up. You know, here in the sun, you can see it better. I've done this last night and the light wasn't great. Even though it's metal paint, still hold on alright on the plastic. Well, we'll see how it hold on over time. But like I said, here's the front lip and stuff. I'm still going to modify it anyway. And yeah, this I'll strap to bare metal and rust, or a combination of maybe rust and bare metal, I don't know, I'll see. And I was thinking maybe the roof, either bare metal or rust as well, but I don't know. I like that color so much, I'll just paint it, considering I still have plenty of that paint. But yeah, and even the misses really like the result so much that look, she's already started to scratch her car, so that eventually we can change the color of her car as well, because she kind of likes the texture as well, like that and stuff. So yeah, so you know, little bits here and there to do and to patch up, but overall, so pleased with the result. Boom. Huh? Isn't it nice? I love the color so much. Obviously the headlight now with the blue background don't look great, but we obviously get around to those. I've put that back because I'm actually going to France in the next few days, so I won't have time to sort of mesh, but I have spray painted it too. I have done the side mirror as well. Now looking, I think I might actually do those panels as well as those and those, but I'll do that at some point next week or something. I've got paint coming for the mouth, but I'll do that in another video. The back's looking good. Roof is not done the best, but it doesn't matter because we'll have roof rack and stuff. Navarro! Navarro! Navarro, cat! I haven't done the wheel yet. I need to go to the workshop and get the jack so I can take the wheels off, and I will paint them like that. I'm going to be tinting those as well as the front one very soon. Yeah, and I need to order a delete for that. Oh, mind you, oh, actually I need to find something funky to attach to use as a delete, isn't it? Rat, obviously. But yeah, no, I mean, to be honest guys, so pleased. Sorry, I know it's a bit dark, I need to sort out the light around here, but you know, here at the end of the episode, what matters is really kind of my feeling about it, and love it so much. It's really going in the right direction, and I'm quite excited to do the mouth on the side as well and just keep on cracking. But anyway, thanks for watching till the end guys. If you like where this is going, give us a like. If you have any suggestion or ideas on what we could do on it, whether it's like logo to spray paint on it and stuff like that, I've actually ordered some stencils that I think are pretty sweet that I'm going to use to spray paint a few stuff here and there as well. But yeah, if you have any ideas or thoughts, or anyway, hit me up in the comment, and if not, see you in the next video, guys. Sorry, I'm a bit tired. It's been a long couple of days. Well, here we're on day 3. Anyway, bye.